Welcome to our review of the PARLOS Widespread Bathroom Faucet featuring 2 handles and a pop-up sink drain. This faucet includes all parts for easy installation, such as quick connect fitting hoses and water supply lines. It is compatible with 3-hole widespread mounts between 8 and 16 inches apart, with hole sizes from 1.34 to 1.57 inches. The 2-handle levers allow you to control water temperature and flow effortlessly. Its brushed gold finish offers a warm, stainless appearance that complements many bathroom styles. Crafted from premium materials, this faucet ensures durability and reliable performance. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional fixture today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.